big mahalo to all the video warriors. The video camera and is the weapon of choice for the revolution that we are fighting today, the peaceful revolution. We don't need guns. We have a new weapon of choice that is much more powerful, and it's that one right there. So, mahalo.
Thank you. Well, thank you, Laulani. And when are we coming back?
September 19th, 1:30 p.m.
September 19th, 1:30 p.m.
It is a Wednesday, middle of the week.
Wednesday.
So something to be planned for.
And come down. It'd be interesting now that you're familiar with the area.
Yeah, accountability is a big thing, and yes, they have their jobs, but what does it say if you're not accountable for your responsibilities? When they are supposed to be one of the legal authorities, just authorities in general, to protect the public. So.
Like I said, I'm kind of curious. If you didn't show up today and issue a bench warrant for 4 officers with subpoenas, they get a continuance.
Right. I kind of wonder about that too, because it seems to me that if they are absent, I'd like to know what their reason for being absent is, because it should be a very good one, and if it's not, then perhaps
This way, because the lighting.
perhaps
so much
they
back.
are going
that's much
to need to rethink Pono. A number of those officers were Kanaka Maoli, were Hawaiian, particularly Nale. Nale, if you're watching, I'm talking to you. If you choose to do what you do, and you choose to have that job, you need to show up for court, brother. Okay, so I'll see you on September 19th. Be there. I really want to thank all of these folks too, because this trial ultimately really is about Kanawai Mamalahoi, and these guys at the Deoccupy encampment have been standing up in a very real way, day to day, for the law of the splintered paddle. They've undergone raids, they've dealt with police, never violently, always appropriately. They've done protests. They've gone out. This person here, Andrew, went all the way out to Kea'au, Hawaii, where very few supporters actually made it out there, but he made it out there and stayed for days when he had just arrived here.
I was here on the island for 2 days.
He had just arrived, and he came out there and stayed with Mr. James Raposa, who is a cultural practitioner who was evicted. A very serious breach of Kanawai Mamalahoi, and Andrew went there to support Mr. Raposa and to stand for that true law of the land. And I just really want to thank him for that. And Michael does this every day also. And he's a true warrior. He stood up to the police numerous times, proved their hypocrisy many times at the Occupy encampment, where they tried to say that tents would have to be removed because it was blocking wheelchair access, and Michael comes in and just wheels through, and proving that the only thing blocking the access is the police, which is the very same thing that happened in my case that was on trial today.